Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change grid lines colors in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already changed the grid lines color. See the changes over here? So all the grid lines is color changes. So let's start how it's done. So I open here the new Excel file, Control N to open the blank new Excel file. After that, to select the entire sheet, just click on this arrow key to select the entire sheet. After that, go to the Home tab. In Font Group, click on the Borders drop-down arrow and click on the More Borders options. Here, the Format Cell dialog box is open. In Line Style, select the lines. Okay, so here I select this one. After that, select the color. So I select the green colors, and here this is a preview, and click on the outline. You can see in the outline line. Click on the inside, here the inside line in preview. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you see the grid lines colors is changed. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.